Hello everyone, this is Mahima here to explain my 7th experiment in database systems lab. In this experiment, we are going to create triggers which are fired automatically when an event is generated. So first of all, we are supposed to raise an application error if the student tries to enroll for the same course more than one time. For that, I have created my trigger. This is the syntax for creating a trigger. Create or replace keywords followed by the trigger keyword, and this is my trigger name T1, and I want it to happen before an event happens, that is insertion event, and it is done on my table inquiry. And for each row I have declared this variable over here, which means code, and it is for the course code, to specify the course code. And then I have begun my trigger, in which as you can see, I have given the query as select course code into code, which means the course code is copied inside the code which we had declared. And over here I have declared my course code as 10, which means when a person or when a student enrolls for the course having course code 10, he cannot enroll for it again, which is why I have given here raise application error as duplicate entry. So my trigger is created. Now when I try to enter the data in this way, over here as you can see, I have given 10. I get my trigger fired and the output comes as duplicate entry. Now for the second one, we are supposed to create a trigger to delete a record in the enrollment table. Corresponding row has to be removed from the inquiry, which means when a record is deleted from enrollment table, it should be deleted from inquiry on its own. So for that I have created my trigger T2, and that is done before the delete operation, and again on the same table. And over here I have given my trigger as if deleting operation is done, then I need to print out my statement as row is deleted followed by the course code which was deleted. So I end it in this way, and then my trigger is created. Now when I give my query as delete from inquiry, where the inquiry number is this, then my row is deleted having the course code as 10. Now for the next one, I'm supposed to create a trigger that will inform me to update the fees at the last day of the current year. For that, I have given my trigger in this way, create or replace, followed by the trigger name as T6. And even here I need to do it before the update operation, and this time it's on table batch. And over here I have given the trigger code as if updating, then the output statement has to be that I can update only on the last day of the current year, followed by the new fees amount. When I give my query in this way to update the course fees as so and so, having the course code as 20, then I get my trigger fired, and my statement appears, followed by the course fees I had given. Now the next one, I'm supposed to create a cursor to display the average fees paid for each course. So in order to create a cursor, I have given in this way, I have declared a variable CNT, which is of type number, and the width is 9. And this is the cursor keyword, this is my cursor, and whatever I want to store in my cursor, I have given in this way. That is, I want to store my average course fees from batch table into my cursor. So on beginning the cursor code, I first of all open my cursor in this way, and then as I want to fetch all the data that has been stored in CNT into C1, I give in this way. So I get my output as average is the amount, and then I close my cursor. So when we see the output, this is how my output appears. Now for the next one, I'm supposed to create a cursor program to update as the following, that if the enrollment is for 2 courses, given discount of 2% from course fees of both the courses. So I've done it over here. I have created a variable p code, which is of the batch code of the enrollment table, and over here I have created my cursor, which is C2, and that is select batch code into b code from the enrollment table where the roll number is 2000-2001. First of all, I open my cursor in this way, and over here I have created a loop, and every time I reach to a value, or when the batch code and the B code matches, I update my course fees by the discount of 0.2% with the course fees. And when it is not found, I exit, and then I get my output as table is modified followed by the batch code I had got. Once my loop is done, I end it and then I close my cursor. On seeing the output, I get in this way. So that's all for my experiment. Thank you for watching.